Hey yo, what up, Victor here, and this is probably going to be a hidden video because I just uploaded yesterday the version 1, but today I was talking in the Ben Discord. By the way, I'm kind of sick, so sorry about that. But I was talking in that Discord and they told me that there was a tool called Not which is universal, so it should be more compatible than my version 1. So I released a version 2 with a revamped UI. So to explain this, basically batteryless cartridges for are cartridges that only have one chip. This is because Game Boy games normally record the save data on one chip and the ROM itself in another chip. And batteryless, what they do is that they cut on on price by only giving us one chip, but you have to patch the game so that it reads and writes to the same chip, so it changes the saving and loading routines to that one chip. So as you can see, here's a normal ROM and here is a batteryless ROM. As you can see, this one is bigger, it's 4 megabytes, and this one is 2 megabytes. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, there's no save data here, but even though there is no save file here, if I drag and drop it, it generates a save file. Okay, so unless even if I save here, it won't work because batteryless patch ROMs always extract the inner save. So unless you play this on a real cartridge on a compatible emulator, the ROM itself should not be modified because it's actually a ROM, read-only memory. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this save file here and I'm going to rename it, and I'm going to be saving, for example, here, and I just saved there. So turn it off, and what I want to do is to inject this save file into here. So with V1, this only works with I think it works only with generation 2 Pokemon, but your mileage may vary. So Ben version is actually way more robust. So that's what, well, first of all, I'm going to show you how you do this with the V1. So you would inject the save file, and right now it creates a backup, which we don't need. And as you can see, the save file actually updated. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the version 2, which is this one. I'm gonna remove the save file and I'm gonna be saving somewhere else. For example, here. And now I'm going to be injecting that save file from inside the batteryless one. I want to inject a save file from the normal version. So now we should have a save file inside the Pokemon Center, and as you can see, it's saved correctly. So yeah, this is probably going to be a hidden video. Also, it doesn't help that I'm kind of sick, but hope you liked it. Hope it was of use for you. As always, if you give a start to the repo, it will help me make better videos, and of course I will be updating the readme for this new repository with new videos. So hope you liked it, and see you in the next video. Bye.